The benefits of keypad entry for gates. Discover the convenience and security of keypad entry for gates. Say goodbye to lost keys and hello to effortless access. Enhanced security. Enhanced security is one of the key benefits of keypad entry. With keypad entry, only authorized individuals can access your property, providing a sense of safety. Elimination of lost or stolen keys. Say goodbye to the frustration of losing or having your keys stolen. With keypad access, you can rest easy knowing that your property is secure. Like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. Contact Alpha Gate and Door Company at 817-381-7788 or visit our website at alphagatanddoor.com for all automatic gate needs.